Hey guys, and welcome back to the Mango Munchies review channel. We are stoked to have you watching today. Honestly, it's just a standard mini mukbang with fried chicken that I got from the local Winn Dixie from their hot bar. Since it's leftover, I did warm it up and crisp it up again utilizing the family's Gourmet air fryer. 10 out of 10 highly recommend. Today's review also includes the Buffalo Ranch Pizza Sauce by Chef Antonio that can be found at your local Walmart stores. So if you like Buffalo Ranch, I highly recommend trying this sauce. As you can hear, the chicken is extremely crispy and juicy. Honestly, one of my favorite grocery store fried chickens, depending on who is making the batch and the type of batter they are using that day. The sauce gives everything a nice kick and zing of flavor. I love using this as a dipping sauce for everything but pizza. I kind of like pizza without this sauce, but I tried it once and it was alright. This sauce, in my opinion, is much better with chicken and fries. To be honest, with anything fried that's not sweets.
Someone's definitely going to have to compromise here. But I think Sammy's starting to grow up and she wants to be something a little bit out of her character. She's changing.
That is all for my opinion today. Sorry for the odd voiceover again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next video. Bye.